After two emergency vehicles were hit earlier this week, with one causing injury to a first responder, Kentucky State Police want to remind you of the move over laws. 44 News reporter Frank Spano has more.
The latest figures from the National Safety Council show that 198 people die each year in crashes with emergency vehicles. Just this week, two different times cars have crashed into emergency vehicles that were stopped on the side of the road, sending one first responder to the hospital. So I talked with Trooper Corey King of the Kentucky State Police today about roadside safety and the move over laws.
The law specifically says if you see an emergency vehicle, which it does include tow trucks, construction vehicles, anything with flashing lights, is to move over the farthest lane from that stopped vehicle. And if you cannot, if safety prevents you from not moving over, then slow way down.
Trooper King tells me first responder safety isn't an option, and if you fail to comply, there will be consequences.
Say, for example, you fail to move over, you struck our vehicle or somebody else that's on the side of the road. At that point, not only does it become a monetary fine, but at that point it can become a misdemeanor for that offense. Not to mention that, yes, there could be jail time.
King says if you remember these three main things, you're doing what's right.
Move over if all possible. If it's not safe, slow down and look straight ahead. Do those right things because it could cost you in the long run if you don't.
But it's not 100% about safety. King says if the vehicles are hit or destroyed, it takes that resource away from the officers.
If our emergency vehicle is struck and it's damaged, it's no longer usable to us.
And just because the responders are often seen on the side of the road working, it's not a comfort zone for them.
It is fast. The wind shear that comes off those vehicles is fast. It's extremely dangerous to us. Really, it's nerve-wracking.
And Kentucky State Police tell us that a failure to move over or slow down for emergency vehicles could result in a $500 fine and/or jail time. For 44 News, I'm Frank Spano.